What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. And I think this is an interesting topic, a very, very interesting topic, because I received a couple of comments as I was going through my portfolio, and it's not just one person, right? It's multiple people where they're like, "Why do you have so many coins? Why do you have so many tokens? Why do you have so many projects that I'm invested into?" And it's a valid question. I think it's very important to understand how you diversify things, what's the reason why somebody would have so many projects, and just get a full understanding of what their mindset is. Because there's a lot of people out there that only have 5 coins or maybe even 1 coin. I know of many people that just have money in Bitcoin. I know of many people that only have money in Bitcoin and Ethereum, but don't have money in anything else. So when I have all of these altcoins, it's always confusing people. It's like, what do you truly believe in if you have all of these coins here? And I'll explain my mindset within this video and exactly where I'm coming from, so that you get an understanding of maybe what you should do, and maybe you can take some of those points and apply it to your strategy. I don't know. But guys, if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon at PerryHGA. You can follow me over there. Also, don't forget about Margex. If you guys want to trade on Margex, you can do that. You can trade up to a 100x leverage. That link will be at the top of the description. Feel free to check that out. Not saying you need to trade at 100x. I would say that you trade at maybe 5 to 10x, but there's always the option, right? So when it comes to cryptocurrency, when it comes to investing in general, right? If somebody has, let's say, too many properties, it's too many properties to manage. It'll be very difficult. You have to go to those properties. You have to make sure no squatters are there. You have to figure out, all of those logistics, especially if they're in different states, different places. Now it's a true problem. Now, if you have a business that can go after and figure that out for you as you are somewhere else, then great. But most likely you are on your own doing that. The same thing goes for these investments in the market, right? It may be difficult for you to manage all of those things. Obviously, it's way easier to manage than real estate because you don't have to go and physically go to the property. Like, I can go to the coin or the investment and just look at what's happening. But then you also have to pay attention to a lot of things that are going on. This is why a lot of people will say, "Hey, did you see this happen?" And I was like, "No." And they're like, "How? You have a lot in this position." I'm like, "Well, I have multiple positions to look at and to research. So if I'm heavily researching one thing, most likely I'm not going to see what has happened with that unless it's come up on my feed in some way." So that's kind of where this question, I guess, stems from, is always like, why don't you know that this is happening? It's like, because I was pay attention to CRO. Why don't you know that this is going on with CRO? I was paying attention to Jasmy. Why don't you know what's happening to Jasmy? I was paying attention to XRP, right? So where we currently stand, I don't know exactly how many coins we have because I haven't broke that down, but I know that even in just one portfolio, which is my Kraken portfolio, I hold 100 coins over there, at which I invested $5 a piece to see what that ended up turning into. It obviously grew a lot. It tripled in value since I invested into that. But I have 100 coins that's over there. That means I have to pay attention to 100 things that's happening with that. But then when you talk about my main portfolios, right, I have just in my Coinbase portfolio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I would say 18, right? Because I'm clearing up some of my crypto dust here. So 18 different positions that are sitting in Coinbase. That's just Coinbase. But then I also have MetaMask, right? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I don't even know how I have this position. I don't even think I bought that. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So let's just say that that's it, right? Because I have other things that are lower, right? So that's a lot, right? Just from those two platforms. And then I also have Coinbase, my Coinbase wallet. I have I have what's in Margex and what I'm holding in there. I have what's in crypto.com. So altogether, I must have close to 200 different projects. Let's say it's 160, right? 160 different projects that I'm looking at, and 60 of those are ones that I'm heavily focused on, right? So, with that being said, I guess as you look into this, we could probably get a count when you look at my portfolio here, because I believe I have almost everything that's at least a major amount. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, uh, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. And I think I have a lot. I think I have more elsewhere, but 28 is what's over here on my portfolio with $189,000, right? So why do I have so many cryptocurrencies? There are people out there that only have one, that only have two. Why do I have so many? And I would say the reason why I have so many is because I don't want to throw a crazy amount in on one play. Like if I put 100,000 in on XRP, one, that would be great to have that, but also it wouldn't really be diversified at all, and I wouldn't have any other opportunity that's in front of me, especially when you have those positions that run so much. For, let's say, the stock market, if we're comparing the crypto market to the stock market, my dividend portfolio, I have way less projects or way less ETFs, way less investments than what I have here. I do have, four times less money than I have in my ETF, in my dividend portfolio. But I'm investing there because it's not about the larger growth, the 100, 200, 500, 700% gain. Here, it's about that. So while I invest a small amount into something, it could end up turning into a larger amount. So it's about the difference in the markets. Since this is so speculative, you want to be invested into everything that is speculative, everything that has a chance to run. Now, do you want to over diversify? No. I have a limit to where I really don't want to invest anything less than $300. There are meme coins that I've invested $100 in because those have a larger potential chance to 10x, 20x, even 100x. But when it comes to the main positions that I have, I don't want to invest anything lower than $300. That's my kind of cap, um, or my bottom. So I know it may be tough to say how or why do you invest so much into many different coins, but I want to make sure that I'm a part of the bigger picture. And you never know what position is going to be a part of the bigger picture when you're in a speculative market, right? So that's where I stand. Yes, I hold 28 coins plus 100 coins that are over there. So let's say 120, 130, maybe even, I don't even know at this point. It's a lot, right? It's a lot of projects, but I want to be a part of the bigger picture, and I think that's the best way to do so. So let me know your thoughts, right? How many cryptocurrencies do you own? My nose is closing up. How many cryptocurrencies do you own? And what's your reasoning for buying that many cryptocurrencies, right? Let me know in the comment section below. But guys, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. Also, if you guys want to check out Margex, feel free to check that out. That'll be the first link in the description. And again, before I get out of here, I want to wish every mother out there a happy Mother's Day. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.